Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold, gbpusd, eurusd, and usdjpy on the smaller time frames. But before we go to the smaller time frames, we are going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. I'll be starting with gold on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, the price of gold is giving us something like we have a low here, high, higher low, higher high. Now we have a higher low, but what we are seeing around here is a swing. Might be looking at something like something like the head and shoulder pattern where price might drop, okay, and then give us a retest, okay, and then continue to drop. All right, that's what it's looking like right now. But this is the weekly time frame. Might happen, price might find support here and continue to go instead of going down. So anything can happen. Let's keep our fingers crossed. All right, now let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see a swing high happening around here. Because what we can see around here is a swing high. Okay, price is already dropping. Okay, we will expect price to drop because of this swing. What we have is an inverted head and shoulder around here, but around here we have a triple top. This is the first top, second top, third top, and the neckline has been broken already. Okay, neckline has been broken. Price is dropping. Price might drop to the 1914 area. Okay, for the still on the daily time frame, we have this particular order block that might serve as support to price. Okay, that order block might serve as support to price. On the 4-hour time frame, what we have is prices sliding. We have this descending trend line. Okay, showing that the bears are in position. Okay, as price continues to break structure, we have a break of this structure, a break of this. This structure has been broken. We have a structure around here that has just been broken on the 4-hour time frame. So we should expect price to continue to slide. We have another descending trend line around here. Okay, but a break above this trend line, price might find sellers. Okay, around here, price might find sellers around here. Okay, and another supply zone, okay, coincides with this particular order block around here. All right, so but for now the direction is bearish. We have a high, a low, lower high, higher low, higher high, then a lower low, lower high, lower low. So the overall trend is bearish for gold on the 1-hour time frame. Still on gold on the 30 minutes time frame, what we can see is the fact that the bears are already in charge. Okay, the bears are in charge as price continues to drop. We can see a drop here. Okay, it shows that this structure around here has been broken. Okay, so we might see price drop some more. All right, that's that on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, the bears are in charge. Okay, the bulls are trying to push price up. A break above here might give us a change. I'm talking about a break above the 1939 might give us more like a change of direction. Okay, but If that happens, if price breaks above this point, will it be able to sustain that break, or it's just gonna pick more sellers and drop further? So that's another point we should look at. And if the buyers are able to get more, momentum, we have this other block here where the sellers are. We also have another other block, where the sellers are lined up around here. Okay, so that's that for gold on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that the buyers are trying to step in, but we have this particular descending trend line. Okay, in as much as this trend line holds, okay, price is expected to continue to slide. All right, because price is already in a channel, a downward channel. The break above this trend line, buyers may meet some supply around here, where sellers will step in and push price further down. Okay, sellers may step in and push price further down at this particular order block. All right, so on the 1 minute time frame, the channel is still bearish. The break above here might give the buyer some confidence to try to push price up, but there are so many bears lined up along the way up that price might continue to move downwards. So that's that for gold. Let's take a look at gbpusd. gbpusd, we already on the weekly time frame, we can see more like a tweezer top on the weekly time frame, more like a swing high. We have a swing low around here, and we have a swing high. So price might likely start to drop, but the overall direction for now is still bullish, but we already see a break of the trend line, suggesting that reversal have started on the weekly time frame for gbpusd. Still on gbpusd, you can see a top, you can see another top around here, and we have this possible target to be at 1.26079. Price is likely to drop to 1.26079 as price continue to slide on the daily time frame. So the descending trend line, okay, is something like this. Okay, on the daily time frame, we also have another trend line, descending trend line, okay, in place around here. Okay, the break above this, if price breaks above this particular trend line, we have this other block that is already established. Okay, sellers will be lined up around here to try to push price down some more. Okay, but if that doesn't hold price and price continues to go up, we have another other block around here, and the price continues to go up, another other block lined up around here. Okay, so many sellers are lined up on the way to the top, so price is going to have some difficulty going up. So if price cannot go up, we expect price to drop, continue to drop until possibly gets to this demand zone, this particular order block, where we might see some level of rise before price possibly goes down some more. So that's that for the daily time frame. But on the 4-hour time frame, price of gbpusd is bearish. Okay, bearish, in the sense that we have this other block that's been broken around here. Price created another other block, another structure rather. We have this structure broken around here. Price created another structure broken around here. We have another structure again broken around here. We have this structure, and as time goes on, we expect it to be broken. So price is better to go down, to slide down some more. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, the price of gbpusd is bearish. We have a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Of course, we will have lower low. So it's trending, it's a bearish trend. So if you are buying, you might consider a position. It's better to look for selling opportunities for now. On the 30 minutes time frame, we are looking at something like a double bottom forming. Bottom, the buyers will have a difficult time trying to push price up. Okay, we have this other block, okay, that can serve as supply zone to price. We also have this particular other block. Okay, so the buyers are going to have some difficult time. So the sellers might step in if price comes to this point and push price to break this structure. Okay, price and push price lower to break that structure. Okay, but if price is able to push up to this point, we might see price deep. If price dips, price might meet with this support zone for price to have like a change of character and then move up. Okay, but that is unlikely. It's unlikely. See price going down. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that the trend is still bearish. Okay, the trend is bearish. On the 5 minutes time frame, it's also bearish. We have another trend line. We have this trend line. We have this trend line on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, suggesting that the sellers are in control, the bears are in control. The break above this trend line, price might meet with cluster of sellers. We have this supply zone around here. We have another supply zone, this other block. We have another block on the 5 minutes time frame around here. So price needs to break this before attempting to go up. Okay, needs to break this before attempting. Of course, we have another block around here. We have another one here. Let me just plot it. Okay, we have another block around here, and we have another one around this point. Okay, then we have also price needs to continue to push above this, and that might take some news, a strong news that will favor GBP for that to happen. On the 1 minute time frame, the overall direction is still bearish. So let's take a look at EURUSD. EURUSD on the weekly time frame. EURUSD price on the weekly time frame shows that trend is still bullish, although we have a swing high around here. That's going to serve as a source of concern to the buyers. Now we're starting to have these 3 black crows on the weekly time frame. 3 successive candles, bearish candles. Okay, that might be a source of concern. Might show that price has started to reverse on the weekly time frame. So a possible target for now is 1.08039 for the sellers. On the daily time frame, you can see that price is trying to reverse this particular up leg. Okay, and price is targeting this demand zone. This demand zone is being targeted. Okay, so that's for the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, the trend is bearish. You have a bearish trend in place on the 4-hour time frame, so you might want to look for selling opportunities for Euro USD. Consider selling Euro USD. On the 1-hour time frame is bearish. Have a break of this structure around here. Now we have a structure around here that's been broken, but price is trying to form a bottom. With the way the trend is, it's going to give way and price is going to slide some more. So you might want to look for selling opportunities for Euro USD. Okay, you might want to consider selling Euro USD for now. So that's that for Euro USD. Let's quickly take a look at gbpusd on the weekly time frame. Price of gbpusd is still bullish. The trend is bullish. The trend is bullish on the weekly time frame. Okay. Price dipped to this point. We have a bottom. Okay, we have a dip to this low. This lower high, higher low, higher high. Okay, higher low. Price trying to form higher high. So we see price getting first to 146.154. Okay, on the daily time frame, we have price trending up. On the daily time frame, price trending up. Now we have a low, there's a high, higher low, higher 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 high. Now we have a lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. So we might see higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we might see price giving us something like this. Okay, as price continue to push up. All right, that's for the daily time frame for USDJPY. So price might continue to push up. On the 4-hour time frame, trend is bullish. On the 1-hour time frame, still bullish. But the current 1-hour candlestick is trying to tell us that the bears are, trying to come in. Okay, but this might turn out to be a fake, drop. Price might push up and continue to go up. On the 30-minute time frame, price is still bullish. All right, but this candlestick is a source of concern. All right, if the bears or the sellers are able to push price down, we have this particular order block that might serve as support, okay, or demand zone to price. Okay, so price might drop to this point and continue to go up. All right, on the 15-minute time frame, USDJPY is still bullish on the 15-minute time frame. Now, using Fibonacci to Okay, price has reversed to 50% Fibonacci level. Okay, 50% Fibonacci level, so anything can still happen. Possibility that price might find buyers, start to go up, but a drop to the 100% might suggest that price might start to drop again and drop. Okay, but that is unlikely as the trend for now is bullish. On the 5-minute time frame, USDJPY is trying to trend lower. We have a high, low, lower high, lower low. So we might see price give us a lower high and drop some more. Okay, but for now on the 5-minute time frame, we have price dropping, so it's advisable for you to wait and look for buying opportunities. Okay, price is already at this particular order block. Okay, a break below this order block. All right, price might target the next order block, which is around here. Okay, price might target this order block. Okay, if it breaks below this and find some demand and start to go up. But as price goes up, we have this other block at the top that might serve as resistance to price. This particular order block might serve as resistance to price, and this particular order block also might serve as resistance to price. But the overall direction for now is bullish. All right, so if USDJPY is going to go up, expect gold to slide, because USDJPY and gold, XAUUSD, they are negatively correlated. So if one is going up, the other will surely slide and go down, and if one is sliding, the other will go up. So I see USDJPY going up some more, and I see gold sliding for now. So that's that for this video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you like the video, click the like button. You can drop a comment below the video, ask questions. You can also share the video to your friends and loved ones. There's a bell button below the video. Smash that button so that you'll be notified when we release another video tomorrow. All right, we have our website, www.beanfxtrader.com. You can visit the website, learn more on how to trade. You can also visit another website of ours, fxlabels.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.